No championship points to worry about. This is an all-out dash for the cash.
They're willing to sacrifice these $250,000, $300,000 cars, all about the $1 million.
1, 2, 3. Man!
All right, boys. I want y'all just to think about how to be number one. Let's do it. Wouldn't rather have anybody else on that steering wheel for me tonight.
And here they come for million to win.
Oh, Jeff Gordon in the wall. I mean, he knocked the fire out of it.
I nailed the freaking wall.
That 48 Chevrolet of Johnson is the fastest car on the racetrack.
Side by side for the top spot.
But the two car is really got that high line working. He is rim riding around this racetrack.
Kurt Busch in the safer barrier, and he's fading.
He's been forked with this thing all night long. Finally gets in it and can't get out of it.
Oh, right side of the car is torn off.
I think he's been in it again.
I think he's lost the handle now. He's done so much damage to the car.
They're working feverishly repairing the right side damage.
The way they come off that road is the way they start the final 10 laps.
They know what you're up against. This is for the $1 million.
Go. Straight out to the wall. Stay out to the wall. Go. Clear out. All clear. All clear. All clear. Looking outside. All clear.
It's a Joe Gibbs Racing front row for the final 10-lap run.
A cool million awaits you. 8 spots away. Go get them. Green flag. Clear high. Keep digging. Keep digging. Keep digging. Clear. Awesome work.
Mark Martin collected by Jeff Gordon. 6, 7, 8 cars involved.
Ow. Yeah, that just cut the field in half.
Hamlin is good on the bottom, but that 18 is good on the top, and he blocks him. Oh, he put a block on him in the wall. He put him in the wall.
Here comes Kurt Busch for the lead.
New leader, man. That's 2.
Oh, trouble. Car in the wall. 2 of them hard.
Wreck behind you. Wreck behind you.
This changes everything.
Somebody better keep me away from Denny Hamlin after this race. I had this race won. It was won. But catch your breath, bud. You got plenty of time.
The last thing I would want to do is give that 48 a second chance, and he's got his second chance. Get it.
Around goes Johnson. Jimmy will start to the infield fast.
Wreck it behind you. Wreck it behind you. Keep digging. Well, sorry, guys. All right, we're done, dude. Bring it to the line, Big Daddy. Awesome work.
Kurt Busch gets the victory and $1 million.